What up, everybody? My name is Tico Invictus from Invictus Barber Academy, and my goal here is to create contents that will help you guys elevate your skills as a barber. But before we move on forward on this video, I need you guys to subscribe, like, comment, and share as many barbers as many barbers possible. So, guys, this channel works like a school, as you see before. We're gonna be posting here contents that you're gonna be learning about haircut and styles and new trends. And in today's video, I will be cutting a Mohawk style. I will give you and I'll show you the step-by-step how do I execute a Mohawk style. Come with me. So you guys, those many barbers are asking me how to execute my Mohawk style. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate the sides from the top, having here my base, strong base, using horseshoe panel. I'm going to do the same thing here on this side. That's how I do in all my haircuts. But if you don't have enough hair to grab with your fingers to put it in your base, you don't have to do that. You can come straight with your clippers. But here, what I'm going to do, almost no base, nothing that I can grab it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Checking the other side, nothing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the top. I'm going to put my base only with when I debulk with my number 2. Here, I'm not gonna take a profile guide on the center, but I'm going to grab all the hair, pull up, and cut the center first. Cutting the center and leaving here the edges for later. So now, since I cut the center, I'm gonna cut this side and this side following the center of the head. Lift the hair up, fingers straight. Everything forward, pick it up. So now I'm about to cut the back, just trim. Matching the back with the top. So I cut the center, now I'm gonna cut here and then there. Now this side. I'm going to check in vertically. There's anything left, just like a cross check. As you guys saw, many times I start cutting from the top. I leave the top ready to go, and then I do the sides. But sometimes I start fading and then I cut the top. Now I'm going to use my blending shears to remove some weight. It has tons of weight here. I'm going to remove a little bit weight from the top as well. On the apex here, close to the crown, I cut a little bit in the root, but going forward towards his fringe. When I'm removing weight, I don't go all the way to the root. I just cut more towards the ends of the tip of the hair. So I did the center. Now I'm doing the sides. this side now. Slice this hair a little bit. You can see some hair is coming off. What I'm doing here, I'm adding some texture and giving some more movement into the hair. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull the fringe towards the nose, make sure everything is even. So now finally, I cut the whole top and back, remove some weight, add some texture already, and now I'm gonna give a blow dry in style, and then finally I'm gonna go and start with my clippers. So now before I start with my clipper work, I'm gonna apply some product, and I'm applying a pomade that will add some moisture. Will give a little bit of a shine look, and I'm going to blow dry, make sure everything is dry in style. When I finish cutting the sides, the top is done. Crown, I'm gonna dry the crown, and then the edges, the corners, and then the top. Before I start debulking with number 2 on the sides, I'm going to create a V in his nape. I'm going to create this V that is going to be very pronounced. I'm about to debulk the sides now with number 2. Zero and below. Trimmers. My shaver now. My second graduation line with the 1. And now I'm removing the first graduation line with the half. Start with the half open. Certinho. Without you notice guys, I'm using the lever. I start always open, halfway closed and closed. Now I'm down to closed already. I'm going to use my zero open, halfway close and close to remove that line down here. I'm not focused on the line above, I'm focused on this line that I created before. Using my trimmers now, just to refine whatever hair on that line remains. A 1.5 to keep blending this line, the line below number 2. Number 1. One halfway closed. One closed. I'm maintaining the corner of the triangle very dark, so it will be very pronounced. Half open, all the way to half closed. Halfway closed, half closed. Now I'm using my zero guard just to refine some areas. And I'll close down until I need. I'm going to do his outline now. My scissors to soften this area a little bit. As you can see, there's a harsh, very hard line there, but I don't want to lose strength and length on my base right there. I'm gonna just dust this hair a little bit. I'm softening the transition area a little bit. As you guys can see, I flipped my comb to this side because I want to get lower on the fade with my scissor work. I'm going to use my blending shears. Right on where I stop with my clippers. If I turn him, you're gonna see a very nice, heavier base here. That's what I want. I want to leave as much strength here if possible. Now I'm finishing doing the other side. This exactly thing I did on the first side that I was doing. So now I'm finishing this side. You ask, here it is, it's done. You saw the step by step how I do my mohawks, as you can see. Let me break it down for you guys. I started in putting a section in the top with a horseshoe panel, but I didn't have anything to grab with my hands, so I didn't put it at the base, and then I started using the back and put it in this triangle. Then I dried the hair, everything on top first. I had some tissue, removed some weight, and apply the product, use the hair dryer, make sure the shape was there, the style was there, and then I start fading on the sides. I debulk with the 2, marked 0 in below, and then I create another graduation line with the 1, blend it, and then I came blending down from 2 to 1, make sure that line was clean. So I hope you guys like. This is the Mohawk, as you can see. Nice and clean. You guys asked, here it is. Thank you very much. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Subscribe, comment, like, and share, please. And I see you guys next class. I hope you guys like. I hope this helped you somehow.